Now we are in the coordination review stage of our copy monitor. I've gone ahead and opened the structural link and moved grid line 4 and also moved all the level lines. So when I open up this file that has the linked grids and levels, I'll get a coordination review required error or warning when I open this file. And what it wants me to do is this: coordination review, select link. So you can do it when you open the file or after the fact. And then I can pick on the link and it's telling me I have grids and levels to deal with. So if I look on here, it's going to say, I have a grid that has to deal with and levels. So if I hit cancel on that, just in this view, I'm going to hit my light bulb, and you're going to see here, I'm going to look behind the scenes. You can see my grid line 4 is off from the linked one, and my level lines are all off as I move on up. It's slightly off moving on up. My second floor is okay, but third, fourth, and fifth moving up. So that's what I have to deal with. So I'm going to hit my reveal hidden on here, go back to my coordination review. Notice this says 47 feet and these all say 12 feet on here. I'm going to say select link, pick on my link, and then in here I'm going to say, okay, let's deal with the grids. So go into here and say, okay, well, there's a grid in here and it says it's moved. Okay, so I say, okay, good. It's moved. And what do I want to do with it? So postpone meaning I don't want to do anything. I just want to let it sit. Or I can click on here and say reject, meaning leave it on the books. And I'm not really accepting the fact that that's a proper move, so we have to deal with it later. Accept the difference means leave mine where it is, leave the linked one where it is, and just accept the fact that they won't be on. Or I can say move my grid. This actually will move my grid line to where the new one is. So if I click on here and hit apply and hit OK, you'll notice this now says 46 feet. And if I hit my reveal, it's going to show me that my grid line 4 is on there. And if I go to my floor plan over here, I'll notice that my grid line 4 is also moved over here. And because my slab and my columns are all linked, everything moves with that grid line 4.